we are watching all Dainius mistakes on video. It is very good way to look at yourself from video. I correct all Dainius bad behavior into alpha man behavior. It is so important. If you do what other successful people do, you will get the same results. It is so simple rule in life. My mission is to install successful people mindset into my followers' heads. At the beginning, like all our followers, Dainius make mistakes, but the real man is a man who do not afraid to make these mistakes. All men sit and dream about beautiful lady, but the reality is that beautiful lady are just in their dream. Alpha man does not dream at all. He goes and make it reality. I am convinced that you can read articles, you can download book about seduction, but the most impact to your life will be other successful people. If you are not surrounded by successful people, you kill yourself. You must go and meet men who are very confident, relaxed and successful with dating. At this lesson we go with my another successful man with dating, Gerard. Sometimes I take Gerard to go out with my follower. Why? Because he can also give him good advices how to seduce women. Perfect body language of Dainius. So what happened? I lost my presence in this woman's eyes. Yeah, it's real. Okay. The best for you work, direct openers. Congratulations. Dainius, come here. You're very good, successful. Congratulations. So everything is okay, but one thing, you must create stronger connection. Why? This girl is very attractive. If 4 men will approach and get phone numbers, with what man she will go on the date? With men who had created the strongest connection. So you must be at least perfect and make connection with other people. You must see how they see the world. What is their biggest motivation in life? The more you can see life from their eyes, the biggest impact you can make on them.
Come on, we're just gonna call it fiesta. Let's go.
So what happened? I got one telephone number. Super. Give my high five. Let's go. I think my success will come from my inside.
We in the club and we heating it up. Looking for somebody special tonight, cause I swear, shorty's beat.
So, why are you so successful now? I have changed. You must go out, practice, and you will get results. What these people surrounded you? These people are professionals. The biggest here power is that we give you comment on your bad behavior, on behavior which do not give you the results. Dainius, when I called you, you said that you are alone at the center and you meet our girls. It is very good. You do your homework. You go out alone and make some girls happy. Dainius, your correct attitude give you good results. You know that you must go out and meet our successful males with women. Every correction which done Gerard was very important to Dainius. Gerard told about how behave those women who want one-night stands. Gerard gave Dainius knowledge how to seduce girls who want relationship. As we know, average guy always choose the most beautiful woman, while the smartest guy choose the weakest woman from the group. Why? Because the more she is weaker psychologically, the bigger impact you can make on her. Gerard told about woman body language. If you can read woman body language perfectly, then you can read her thoughts. Gerard told about how behave woman when she feel interested about you. Knowledge about our people body language is very important in alpha man lifestyle.